Now today I've got my 1964 GTO here, and it is pretty well bare bones stock. Nothing fancy about it, down to the cast iron intake and the original Carter AFB. Now for the exhaust, it is set up with a set of ram air exhaust manifolds, 2.5-inch pipes, downpipe, to a Summit Racing H-pipe kit, 2.5 of course. And from there, we're going to be trying these Flowmaster Super 44s. Now these are 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Sounds pretty big, but I'm actually stepping up from the 2.5-inch pipe to 3-inch with 3-inch axle overs to the splitter side exhaust from pipes. So these are actually going to be welded and not clamped unlike the other ones, so these are going to be permanent fixture on this car, and this is the sound I'm going for. So I'm going to get it all put together and let you hear it.